Hello, everyone. My name is Teacher Anna, and today we will be talking about English. But first, let's sing a song that is related to our lesson. Are you ready? Great! Let's go and let's sing.
Walking, running, playing, jumping. These are the action words. These are the action words. Sitting, sweeping, reading, watching. These are the action words. Come on, clap with me. Clap, clap. Come on, dance with me. Dance, dance. Praying, eating, sleeping, watching. These are the action words. Swimming, talking, riding, climbing. These are the action words. These are the action words. Kicking, driving, working, shouting. These are the action words. Come on, stop with me. Stop, stop. Come on, sing with me. Sing, sing. Biking, drawing, hopping, cooking. These are the action words.
Excellent! Thank you very much, kids. What is verb? Let's find out what verb is. Let's take a look some of the pictures. What is the boy doing? He is eating. So the word is eat. Here's another one. What is the girl doing? She is sleeping. Excellent. So the word is sleep. The last one. What is the boy doing? He is reading. So the word is read. Eat, sleep, and read. What do the pictures tell us? They tell us actions. Very good. Can you guess what verb is? Verb is a word that shows actions. Excellent. Now let's have some examples. Number one, he eats hamburger. The word eats is an action, so it is a verb. The next one, she sleeps soundly. The word sleeps is an action, so it is a verb. Number three, he reads the book. The word reads is an action, so it is a verb. Your turn. First, you have to find the verb in the sentence. Anna walks slowly. Very good. Walks is a verb. The next one. They dance gracefully. What word is the verb? Dance. Very good. The third one. I run because I'm scared. What word is the verb? Run. Very good. The fourth one. Bird sing early in the morning. The verb is sing. Very good. So walks, dance, run, sing, they are actions. So they are verbs. Let's find verbs. First, let's read the words. Eat, they, slip, Anna, birds, read, sing. Can you tell me the verbs? Very good. Eat. The next one. Sleep. Excellent. I think we have two more verbs. Read. Very good. The last one. Sing. Good job, kids. Well done, kids. I'm very proud. Bye.